welcome back to the Grave Digger Show, baby. Look at that. That's nice. Oh yeah. So I got a line from that tree to this tree to this tree, and it's gonna be my clothesline. It's time to do some laundry, grave digger style, baby, in a bucket. Do a little water filtration straight out the river. Welcome to camp. I'm all set up. Do a little car camping down by the river tonight. Needed to get some laundry done, so the river was ideal. Well, where am I? Well, somewhere in Georgia. Decided to do an overnighter. Somewhere in Georgia, beside a river, at a public campground. Ready to have a step 2 with you. Working on some ice house today. Cheers. Big congratulations to Steve the Transit Camper for win number 3. He won the Airport Challenge 3. Big ups to Steve the Transit Camper. He is currently holding the crown. Always enjoy watching Steve's channel. You know what I'm talking about. This is a new development in the grave digger world. A good family friend of ours was ready to upgrade their vehicle and sold this to me very, very cheap. Wouldn't have been able to afford it otherwise. Big thanks to you know who you are, previous owner. Cheers. Much respect to the previous owner. It is about, I don't know, 4 o'clock now. Gonna sip on this step 2 for a couple minutes here and get ready for 420. You know what time it is, baby. Step 3.
You and I know you about that life.
Drop with me now. 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 Drop with me now.
Yeah, I forgot to mention the new hats. Merch on sale right now. Go to the home page on the channel, slide across to the store tab, hit store, look for the Grave Digga merch. I put up the camo netting in front of the car. I don't think it really helps much, but just wanted to test it out. Looks kind of weird. Got some neighbors over here. And I got another guy just pulled up on a bicycle. That's pretty cool. Bike camping. Way out here. It's a long way out here. That's awesome. Good on you, dude. Well, I guess I need to get some firewood for this thing. Get that thing cleaned out. Got Tina taking a break right there. Sir, looking good. So I had the Progresso vegetable soup. Put in some of those dried hash browns. You just have to add water to. And then I added that plant-based meat taco ground. Thicken it up, nice and Wow, that's delicious. Yes, sir. That's so good. Oh, yes. Delicious. We got four sets of campers over here, including myself. When I got here, there was one group, 2 tents over there. They look like they're full-time camping. They had laundry hanging out, and then no car. And it was 2 tents, 2 people. So then I came. So then it was just me and those people, right? So I went to the farthest spot away. And then since I came and started setting up, 2 other groups came. Well, the people right beside me, 2 women, and then the guy on the bike. Yeah, the guy on the bike camping, his name's Tony. Said he's doing a 10-day trip from Atlanta north up to North Georgia. Yeah, I'm really liking this new hat. If you don't have your new Grave Digga hat, what's wrong with you? The hash browns are like eating noodles. So temperature here, it's in the mid-50s now, I think. It's going to be down in the 40s tonight. Same Nemo tent I always use. The ground sheet, which is plastic. Then the tent layer, accordion style foam mat. On top of that, the air mattress. It's a ThermaRest Neo Air Uberlite. You'll be sleeping on top of that. And the Enlightened Equipment 20-degree sleeping bag. Any of my gear that you're interested in can be found down in the description box. I have an Amazon associate link for a lot of the gear that I use. Your price doesn't change if you use that link. Just, I get a really small percentage if you do happen to buy something. Suddenly Solo and Jay and Knight.
There he is.
Oh, man.
Hey, brother, how you doing?
Good, how you doing, man?
Good, good, good.
Let's get someplace where I can smoke a fucking joint. So whose video you like for this month?
I like Steve's Transit Camper.
Yeah.
I just think because I don't have anything on that day. Maybe I'll just leave it inside. Cheers. Nice. Very nice. Yeah, baby. Yep, that's right. Grave Digga stickers are in the store and 15% off right now. Go and get your stickers. It's time for step 2. Out of the titanium hip flask. Gear in the description. Yeah, put me a nice Grave Digga sticker on my flask. Still working on that same Kentucky bourbon whiskey. Yeah.
So it's called frustration.
Yeah, baby.
Just like the
It's
frustration
time for
you
a step
guys
3
get
in the
from
tent.
not getting notified, from being
It's greenhouse
unsubscribed,
tent, baby.
not being able to leave a comment,
Step 3.
not being able to find out what that video was for that gear. It's called frustration. And the door swings
Step
both ways
3.
apparently because people hit me.
Yes, sir. Well, it's just about time for Grave Digger to cast away off into dreamland. Peace out. Beautiful morning. About 45 degrees Fahrenheit. A little bit chilly. We got some nice hot instant coffee and some grits to warm us up. Oh, grits. Nice. It's a really nice camp spot here. It's quiet. Oh yeah. Nice. Wake and bake. Wake and bake. Wake and bake. If you like this kind of video, give her a thumbs up. Go down and hit that subscribe button now. Give it a share. Maybe you know somebody else who likes this kind of stuff. And to all the members, I really appreciate your support. Sticking with me. It means a whole lot to Grave Digga. All the subscribers, keep on doing what you're doing. It helps a lot. If you'd like to support the channel, open that description box. Check out the Cash App link. There's also Buy Me a Coffee. You know what time it is. It's time for Grave Digga to dig out. Get outdoors. Peace.